I'm Chef Drew with the Oakland Road Hy-Vee, and today we're celebrating National Hamburger Month. So I want to teach you how to make one of my favorite burgers. It's actually a burger that I won a contest with, so I thought it'd be a great opportunity to share this burger with you. So today we're going to start off with a pound of ground chuck. And then we're also going to start off with a pound of ground pork. The pork gives it some good fattiness. It will keep the burger moist. I always like to add a 50-50 ratio when I do my burgers. All right. And then what else goes in there? Now we're going to put in some great ingredients that make a really good taco. This is it's called the Matador. It's a Mexican style hamburger. So it's just everything that goes great in a great taco, but a nice grilled hamburger mixed in one. So we're going to add some cilantro. We're going to add about a small bunch of cilantro. Half of a red onion. One jalapeno, medium size, half deseeded. About a quarter cup of refried beans. Some salt. Some cumin powder. About a tablespoon. Some cayenne pepper. About a teaspoon, half teaspoon. If you don't like any of these ingredients, you can leave them out too, but just all make a great burger. Then we're going to add some fresh cracked black pepper. Some queso fresco cheese, some Mexican cheese. It crumbles like feta cheese. It's really good and salty. It just adds a new layer of texture and flavor to your hamburger. And then next and last ingredient, we're going to add tortilla chips. And what this is going to do, it's going to act like a binder for the hamburger, and it's also going to add a little bit of texture and also some color to the patty. So that's about a cup of chopped tortilla chips. Alright, so after we get it all mixed up, we're going to divide this into 6 equal hamburgers, and the best thing to do that is just make a line right down the middle and then split it into 6 little portions right here, and it makes it easier to go ahead and patty up. We're going to form a nice patty. We got a medium-high griddle right here on the stovetop, already preheated, and we're going to go ahead and lay those right down. We're going to cook these about 5 minutes, turn them, cook them another 5 minutes, and then flip them, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. Alrighty, after about 15-20 minutes, when your burger reaches about 155, you got to cook it that temperature because you do have the ground pork in there and you want to make sure that it's done properly. So after they're looking really good, we're going to go ahead and dress the burgers. Got some nice toasted buns. Going to throw some lettuce, sliced Roma tomatoes, alrighty, and we're going to go ahead and put our big burgers right on top. Alrighty, and now top it with a little bit more queso cheese. Give it a little color. Give it a little bit of more freshness. And then here I have a mixture that's sour cream, cumin, cayenne pepper, and garlic. Act as like the mayonnaise of the hamburger. And then top it with the top bun, and there you have the Matador. Thank you.